All right, guys, we have a really cool contest going right now where a lot of you guys made these Skateboarding Made Simple commercials. We're really excited about this. The link is in the description below, so go ahead and go right now. Vote for your favorite. The winner of this contest is going to get $1,000, so we're really excited for you guys to watch all of those videos, and we hope you like them. All right, guys, so we have seen this flight deck, and I am not totally sure what's going on with it, but apparently it's like an indestructible skateboard. So I can tell right here that there's something over the trucks. It looks like a square, and the top sheet it just looks like carbon fiber. So carbon fiber, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plies of wood. The thing I don't understand though is we had a full carbon fiber, the whole thing was carbon fiber, and we snapped that in half. So how could we not snap this in half if it only has one thin sheet? What's the difference?
We're gonna have to skate it and find out because I have no idea.
It feels light, it feels tough. It's an 8.5, which makes it wider and quite strong. Oh yeah. Well, we're gonna skate this, but the object of this is to break it.
Straight out of the gate, just try and stomp it.
Let's go. Should I even grip it or should we just stomp it?
Oh, good news.
Man. The world's first indestructible skateboard. Although we did have that one from, what was it called? Life? You guys remember that?
Yeah.
That was like the green tips.
That one you couldn't chip.
You couldn't chip it. I wonder if we can chip this one. Who was making a bet with me that we couldn't break this?
I said you couldn't break it. I had no bets. That's this guy right here.
What are we putting on this, Daniel?
Jump $10.
$10 or jump juice?
Both.
$10 worth of Jamba Juice.
So all it has to do is go into 2 pieces.
I think you like just skating it though.
I mean, we do got
Oh, no. Nope, it was already
That
taken
is
off.
not what you said. If people in the comments say it broke because of 2 bolts.
No. Wow.
What in the world is this?
Alright, that's sick, right? Brought that from home. What's another word?
Another word? Say something.
Fork.
Gobbler. Gobbler.
What?
Gobbler? Makes perfect sense. You want to gobble your cobbler. Pass me the gobbler and the cobbler. It's unbreakable.
Alright, Aaron, stomp it. You didn't even put any effort in. Oh my god.
I missed.
No, it's pretty easy.
Let me do it.
So violent today.
No, I'm not. One board throw and I'm so violent.
Yes.
First kickflip on it. Say I won't.
Why are you skating it backwards?
Oh, I didn't mean it.
I like.
Interesting. That's wall, not board.
Slight chip right there.
But the wood is gonna chip, but
But what did it do to the wall?
nothing that wasn't already done.
God, that thing's bigger than me, dude.
I've never seen Carlos struggle more on a kickflip.
It is big. It's 8.5.
Look, Fetty just wants to break it so bad. Look, he's going to get his car already.
Fetty.
Take flight, Fetty.
Like, can we do some skateboard tricks? It's like the first video, we can actually do some skateboard tricks and they just want to break it.
What if it went outside and a car just went bop?
Yeah!
Do the same tricks, but on a tail slide.
Truce.
So big.
You're just off doing your own thing. These guys are taking flight, Aaron.
Give me the flight deck. Someone in the comments, I've been reading the comments a lot and answering you guys, was saying, why don't they ever do no complies? This is for you, baby. Now you know. Can you double flip it though?
Yes.
Yeah.
If you land this right here, you can keep the deck. Oh. Get out of here.
Hey, Kukasa!
Gabe puts the entire Braille crew to shame. Triple?
I think so, yeah. I'll give it a shot after Carlos.
Let me just try one double flip, because I can't double flip on flat anymore. I literally lost the trick, like.
Serious Olympic stuff. Here we go, triple flip. Who's got the slow-mo?
What? This is nice. Oh!
Oh, I almost did. I'm only giving this one college try.
I'm only gonna give it one too.
And that's it.
That's it, one for each of us.
Is that 3 or 4?
All right.
If you land it right here, you will be God of the Braille House. No joke.
Are you sure you want to engage in this triple flip off with me?
Off? You know, you go?
The first ever.
Go.
We can do it if you want.
Let's go.
All right, the first ever triple flip off.
Oh, I'm landing that. It's not only a triple flip, it's a triple flip on an 8.5. It's impossible. It's an 8.5. It's impossible. He's over there tying his shoes.
Like that's gonna make a difference.
Thinks he's like so tough. He works out every day. He's like benches 500 pounds. Oh wow, he's touching his arms and his chest. If you land it right here, I will get the exact same haircut as you.
Stand right here and just don't move. Cut this part out of the video.
Super Saiyan!
All right, it's on now.
Why? We'll call this video Carlos Takes a Nap. I love that we were both like, we'll give it one try and one try only. Last try, that's it.
As hard as Aaron tries, he's still not even close to me. At my worst. Gab X Goku. Give it your best, AK.
Whoa. Seriously.
All right, let's break this thing.
Dang it.
I mean, I'll count that.
It's a triple flip, I can take that.
On an 8.5.
On an 8.5.
Yeah.
Fetty, pull your car in. Let's go.
Seatbelts, everyone. Seatbelts.
Oh, hold up.
All right, let's roll, Fetty.
Where are we going?
To run over this board.
Well, I don't see it.
I think they want you to go in there, right, Gabe?
Yeah.
I'm going in?
Yeah.
You're a really good driver, Fetty. Slow-mo?
It just hit the trucks.
Hey, what's up?
Hey. A little more, a little more. All right. Oh.
Wow. He's fully
It's
compressing.
not even touching the ground, dude.
the car up.
It's not even touching the ground.
What?
Whoa. How in the world?
Dude, that's insane.
So weird.
It literally feels like a normal board. I almost overflicked that because from the triple flip.
Jeez, dude.
You think it's gonna break on the lip?
I think it's gonna break on the lip slide, yeah.
I don't know why you didn't break it yet.
See what you got, Marty.
Easy.
I think he's just gonna do a nice lip slide.
Or he's gonna slip out.
Yeah, because he's gonna stomp so hard, but it's not gonna break.
Yeah.
I need one more.
Oh my,
I want to see that as well.
God. Regardless of it breaking or not, it has proven itself among the boards that will not break.
I think Fetty has a better idea. Let's see what he's doing.
All right.
hit the ground.
It's gotta break.
I left mine at home.
Oh, like this? But
You might want to stand back for this.
Oh wait, hold on.
Let me know when.
You're gonna die.
Oh!
Let's go.
What? Yes! They said it couldn't Victory! They said it couldn't be done!
Oh, let's see. Is it in two?
If that didn't break it, like.
Watch out for carbon fiber shards.
Whoa, what are you doing? Kickflip it. Play it where it lies. Well, I guess it's not broken then.
I win.
In conclusion, $10 and Jamba Juice.
I guess.
It's okay.
Well, you're welcome.
Really what he meant was that we had to break it like in actual skateboard terms. He didn't say throw a giant piece of concrete at it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. We had a lot of fun making it. I would love to start a series called Indestructible or something like that, where you make boards that you feel like are indestructible and we do everything we can to try and break it. We skate it, we try and break it. Or maybe this is the episode you guys are keep saying, you make it, we break it. You know? Anyways, if you have a board or an idea or something that you are willing to build, send us an email about it, skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. We would definitely love to check that out and get some boards to see if we can break it. For some reason, I really like to experiment on these things and see what happens with it. So let's go #notification squad. You guys know what to do. Like the video, subscribe, have your notifications turned on, and leave it in the comments below, #notification squad. We will pick one of you guys and we will send you a Braille prize package. These are already going out and people have been really stoked. And we are really stoked to have you in the videos with us. So thank you for your continued support. You guys are the absolute best. Subscribe, like, leave the comment below, and we'll see you in the next video tomorrow. We do daily videos on 3 different channels. That is this channel, the Braille Gaming channel, and the Braille Army channel. You guys are the absolute best. See you tomorrow.